These pillowy, soft, and delicious dinner rolls are so addicting. Making homemade dinner rolls may seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to. Let me show you how to make rich and buttery dinner rolls from scratch with lots of tips for success. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's get baking. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's bake the fluffiest, softest dinner rolls together. It's so easy, you're going to be baking all the time. We'll start with mixing the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl with paddle attachment, combine flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. Whisk it together and then add milk and 1 egg. Mix for about 1 minute. While the mix is running on low, add butter 1 piece at a time. Increase the speed to medium and mix until dough is well combined. Replace the paddle attachment with dough hook and knead for about 6 minutes on medium speed. The dough will be super sticky at the beginning, but it will get smoother as you knead it. After about 6 minutes of kneading, and when the dough is nice and smooth, oil the bowl with vegetable oil and roll it on all sides, and then cover it with kitchen towel and place it in a warm place to rise for 30 to 60 minutes. I like to put it in a microwave with a glass of hot water. Obviously, don't turn on the microwave, we're just using it as an insulated box. And here's another method. Put the oiled dough in an Instant Pot and set it on a yogurt setting. This is the fastest method to proof an yeast dough. Once the dough is doubled in size, turn it onto a floured counter and knead the dough into a smooth ball and divide into 2 equal parts. To shape the rolls, roll each dough into 14-inch circles, then cut it into 12 equal wedges as if you are cutting a pizza. Roll the triangles into a crescent shape, not too tight, not too loose either. Arrange the rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or silicone mat. Rest for about 20 minutes to rise. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and make an egg wash. To make an egg wash, combine 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of water and whisk it until smooth. Right before baking, brush on egg wash on all the rolls and bake for 20-25 minutes or until nice and golden. Enjoy!